In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off suggested files in Google Drive. If you've noticed Google Drive showing a row of files it thinks you'll want to open, those are suggested files. They can be handy, but they can also clutter your view or surface documents you don't want to see every time you open Drive. Google removed the global setting that used to disable these suggestions, so the best current approach is a simple, reliable workaround you can use on any file that keeps popping up. Start by signing in to Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in, head to the area where the suggestions appear. You'll usually see them on the home page or across the top of your drive as a row labeled Suggested or Quick Access, showing thumbnails or file names the system predicts you'll need. Find a file you don't want to be suggested anymore. Hover over it so it's clearly selected, then right-click on that item. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works, and on some keyboards, control-click does the same thing. Be careful to right-click the tile itself rather than left-clicking the name, which would open the file. When the context menu appears, look for the option labeled Not a Helpful Suggestion and click it. That's the key action. By marking a suggestion as not helpful, you're telling Drive to stop surfacing that specific file in the suggested row. You may see a brief confirmation indicating your feedback was recorded. This doesn't delete or move the file, it only changes how it's promoted in that suggestions area. If you have multiple files that keep showing up, repeat the same action on each one. Over time, this feedback helps reduce the noise and makes the suggested section less distracting. Because the global toggle is no longer available in settings, think of this as a targeted way to curate what appears. It's especially useful for items you access rarely, documents that are outdated, or files you simply don't want front and center. If you don't see the Not a Helpful Suggestion option, double-check that you're right-clicking within the suggested section specifically, not in your regular file list. To recap, log into Drive, go to where suggested files are displayed, right-click the item you don't want to see there, and choose Not a Helpful Suggestion. It's a quick, low-effort workaround that keeps your Drive home view cleaner without changing anything about your files themselves. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep Google Drive focused on what matters most to you.